Hey everybody, James Clark, broker Century 21 Alton Clark. Guess where I am? Well, if this doesn't tell you, I'm at 501 Riverbend Drive in Longwood. Actually, Sweetwater Oaks. This is a fantastic 4-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,600 square foot pool home. Sweetwater Oaks, Seminole County Schools, Sweetwater amenities. And wait till you see the inside of the home. Great kitchen, amazing pool, great layout. But enough of me talking about it. Let's go take a look inside, and then let's go look and see what Sweetwater has to offer. Let's go. All right, here we are in the outdoor pool area. And as you can see, huge pool, large screen area, tons of covered seating back behind me. You can have an outdoor grill out here, and there's just actually ample room to do a lot of other things. Now, the pool is huge, and the Mars site is in absolutely fantastic condition. So there's nothing you need to do in this outdoor space but literally jump in and enjoy. Now, we don't stop here at 501 Riverbend. This community, this home grants access to all that is Sweetwater. So tennis courts, the park, and my favorite, Sweetwater Beach. You've got picnic areas, boat launch, and a private beach on Lake Brantley. That's right, Lake Brantley access, because you're a resident of Sweetwater. Listen, the schools don't get any better, the community amenities don't get any better. Sweetwater is one of the most classic Seminole County communities that you can possibly find, and it's one of the reasons why it's held its value and stayed in demand for decades. So listen, if you like everything that you've seen, this home's not gonna last long. So there's not a lot that comes for sale in Sweetwater. So act today, contact me for a private showing. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, God bless.